It's simple, but just clean your phone lens. It's simple but important. Here's an example. Always keep your brightness up. You do not have a viewfinder to look through to see everything. Use the rule of thirds. This will help you to guide each line and for you to not miss a shot. Try shooting in the sunlight. Look for those harsh lighting when shooting. You see, the phone sensor is very small, so using the sunlight will give you a good shoot of that subject. When there is a harsh light coming through, look for patterns that are caused by the sunlight. Look for the strong colors or shapes that are caused by the sunlight. Don't always shoot in portrait mode. Do landscape. Play around with the sizing. Do square. Do 10 by 8. Change it up. Download Lightroom and use the camera that is on that app with professional mode. It will help you change the ISO and many features that let you access. Don't just edit on your phone. If you can, edit on a computer or an iPad. It's bigger with the screen. In doubt, just go black and white. There is pictures that sometimes just come out poor quality, especially those photos when you zoom in with your phone. Black and white tends to just bring out the details in the photo. The form of abstract is everywhere, to be honest with you. Abstract is everywhere. Take advantage of the size of the phone. By turning your phone upside down, you can get your lens up and close to the subject